Okay, this is going to be a warm crank because I screwed up on the video before. Pull that clutch in for me, Pat.
Go ahead.
Okay, we had the bike running for about 10 minutes and I thought I was videoing, but it basically cranked that easy to start with. It just wasn't warmed up, you know, it was a little rough idling. But this is definitely a warm crank video. Like I said, I screwed up and was not recording. But I will do that tomorrow. I'll do a cold crank to show you. Paint's pretty much flawless on it. There's one little scratch there. Nothing back here. Nothing here. Really nothing here. Some wax in there. Pipes are excellent. Not gonna find any clean pipe. A little bit down there, but yeah, what the fuck did that, you know? Still chrome damage as I stated. I do have polish cover for this. I don't know if these came foamed or if somebody did it. I don't know that much about these things. The rear master cylinder has been rebuilt. That hard to find kit. Works fine. Everything functions as should. And that's it. Like I said, I'll do a cold crank video to show you how easy it feels to crank. That's all.